Every bottle of beverage relies on gas in production. Key processes like juicing, sterilization, and PET blow molding consume massive steam and compressed air. In fruit-flavored beverage production, crushed fruits or vegetables are steam heated at 60-70 for 15-30 min to evaporate water and concentrate the beverage. At the same time, inactivate enzymes for juice freshness. The preform is softened by high-temperature lamp irradiation. After feeding into the blow mold, low-pressure air expands it, followed by high-pressure air to instantly blow mold until engaging the mold edge. Cooling sets the shape for the finished plastic bottle. After filling, the beverage enters a steam-heated sterilization kettle. Steam injection heats the upper tank's water to the set point, which is then pumped into the process tank. Dual tank hot water circulation sterilizes the product while preserving nutrients, ensuring safety and hygiene. Comate uses VFM 60 MUV and TGF for 6.0 inline floaters with DS610 Edge computing server for precise flow measurement and stable data analysis, providing full process QC in beverage production.